Well, I think one of the major ways that we implement security is, especially in the Power BI world, we talk a lot about row-level security.
Row-level security is kind of where we would take a user and put them into a group like sales or HR, and then we would set the security based on that role.
So this row-level security provides a huge benefit to keeping your data secure and only allowing people to see what they need to see.
We've seen customers where they maybe don't understand the scope of security and governance, where any report that they build or that they put out, someone may put it out, but nobody's reviewed it. Usually what happens is immediately something goes awry. We would go in and we'd help them understand the process and help them kind of make a comeback from that.
We also help identify that before it even happens. So one of the other effective functions we provide is we actually sit down and interview a lot of the process people in your companies, and we actually kind of build you a visual map of how your data is flowing through your company, and we help identify those critical junctures where something breaks or someone leaves, that your business won't be left in a lurch.